Welcome back to the Thousandaire Radio channel, the channel that tunes into you, the Thousandaire. I'm tired, but I'm thrilled. Thrilled you're back, friendo. Let's get this show on the road. Hey, put a like in the tip cup, would you? My wages are pretty low. I work for likes. You're the best. So generous. All right, time to gas up. If you're offended by coffee, you might want to look away. Hey, that little shake before I slammed it was pretty nifty. All right, no camera cuts. Got to maintain the integrity. I'm kind of a ninja this morning. I see remnants, but I really don't think that's from the pour. Probably hitchhiked from the cup during the slam. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for a hot cup. I wanted coffee before I went to bed last night. Cheers to you, friendo. Oh, that's hot. Wondering what this is? I see you wondering. It's a hobo nickel with a gray visitor on the other side. If you wake up all of a sudden and your butt hurts, look under your pillow. You just might find one. Or I think you can pick them up on Temu. Man, I'm having fun. I wish I didn't have to go to work today. I'd love to just hang out here and BS with you. Let's just keep it going. Let's not try to capture moments, okay? That ruins life. That reminds me, you ever see wrestling pictures in the newspaper? Wrestling just never looks good when you slow it down to a freeze frame. All right, so this is all of my silver yield for the month, not counting my weekly purchase of silver dollars. And it's all been for spot or less. That's right, spot or less. So I would like to thank the now mainstream stacker channels, in conjunction with TV news channels too, I believe, for FOMOing normies in with bricks talk, dollar collapses, you name it. Fighting in the Middle East. Oh, when does that happen? Oh, look, Franklin here has a cracked skull. Perhaps he went for a stroll in one of our fine American cities at night and left his earbuds in. Yeah, but anyhow, the thrill is gone and all the normies are selling. It's just too good to pass up. If someone wants to sell me silver for spot, I'll hand over my lunch money. This channel's official status on silver stacking right now is supposed to be dabbling, but I got 6 ounces already in February. I also invest in other things, so this really can affect my lunch money. I just checked the price of silver. It's going down still. It's looking like 2024 is shaping up to be a stacking year. I remember when silver went down to like $13 and no one thought it was possible. The unboxing videos were amazing back then. Everyone was just buying beautiful, high premium silver things. It was a cheap silver feeding frenzy. You did hit that like button, didn't you? Salud. Hey, don't think you were getting away today without leaving some comments. Don't just stand idly by. I need some feedback, positive or negative. Do you think we're headed for low silver prices in 2024? Is it going to be like an all-you-can-stack buffet? Like I said, I remember when silver dropped to almost 13, I was stacking in the 20s. And I kept stacking all the way down. I'd buy a 10-ounce silver bar that week, and my asset value wouldn't change. But when the market started to move back the other way, boy, was the wind in my sails. When the herd runs away, that's when it's time to play. I have like no 10-ounce silver bars right now, except for that one Engelhard on the table. Do you know why? I was selling them off many months ago. Just a little here, a little there, and I retained the premium when I sold them. None of my moves are all or nothing. They're just little increments. The pressure builds up, you let a little steam out. I don't know if I'm getting excited about silver or if I just had too much coffee. It's probably both. I'm thinking there's gonna be a reflexive snap of that gold-silver ratio sometime soon, one way or another. Subscribe or you may never see me again. Because that is it. That is it. Thousandaire Radio, wicked shout. Bye.